Welcome to the Spend a Day with me. Today we are at what? The beach. The beach here at Viridian. It's Beau's birthday. I got on my Shay's Closet hat from my friend. Y'all gotta go check out her boutique. Love all her stuff. I can't remember. Here, Tony, hold this real quick.
I don't know.
That's fine. I can't remember where I got this cover up. It was somewhere online. Oh no, don't move it. Because I'm gonna stand up. I'm gonna just kind of show them. It was somewhere online, but my swimsuit is for Fashion Nova. And so I'm literally out here just about to get some shots for y'all, some stuff, and we gonna kick the day off by celebrating Beau here. He loves the water, so that's where we at. Get y'all that good old water shot. See?
I'm about to go jump in the water.
And you going to jump in the water?
No, I didn't bring a towel, but
we sure didn't bring a towel. And then my baby just graduated. You want to say anything?
I'm very happy to be a graduate.
Yes.
Yes.
She can wake up with no school. I got to sleep in this morning. So we out here with our glasses and put them over here. I'm going to show y'all my scent of the day. Today, because I brought it to just kind of like refreshing because I don't have a smaller one. So I think somebody calling me. Oh, my daddy. Nope. So here's my scent for the day. It is RD Absence by Louis Vuitton. And we just brought a few snacks. We brought some King Hawaiian rolls, some hummus. Y'all, I'm new to hummus, but this shit is so good. We got the sweet chili garlic and the chipotle pepper. Where do we get these from? It wasn't Sprouts. Was it Kroger's? I brought my Cajun crab dip because I love this. Just a small pack of cheese. Somebody threw some Hershey's in here.
Our bread is sweating, mother. I don't know if
I brought some wheat thins and some Stella Rosa, the black, and some white Zinfandel. So that's what we got, our little picnic basket. Babe brought his cooler. Yeah, that's it.
it's cooler when I'm standing up versus when I'm sitting down.
This is in my butt, y'all. I can't help it. You hot, mama?
Yes.
Did you set your timer from the time you put on your stuff?
I figured we wasn't gonna be out here that long.
I hate smelling like outside.
Mother, do you see the fan in here?
Oh, the fan Nanny got me? Yeah, my sister and her husband went to, I think, Cozumel. They went on a cruise. Look at this beautiful fan she got me. Yes, honey, yes. Good Memorial Day weekend, y'all. Good vibes all summer, all day. Cheers. Hey. My baby just happy if she get an overcast out here, okay? And it is what it is. Y'all, I'm so hot. Ooh, Jesus, I think we all are. But it's hot, but it still feel good. Pretty, it ain't too crowded, you know. Yesterday was Memorial Day, and we here the day after. All right, y'all.
I don't really like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business got me out here choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'll stay on me, always at the lowest. But if you can keep it, let nobody knows it. I need you to get the fuck on my space. The basement's on the way, gold dogs don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving slow, scrolling on my face.